We start our journey today with a particular category that we don't have much familiarity with. I mean, I know the category well. I know it's a big one in India. I know huge sales happen with business and enterprise where a company will order 500 laptops for their organization, 1,000 laptops for their organization. But usually on this show on Gadget 360, we do more consumer stuff. But you'll be surprised to know half the market is business and enterprise. And there are very specific requirements like the kind of ports, the kind of security built in. And usually once you put together a business or an enterprise laptop, it tends to be bulky, big, and like I say, very, very ugly. But ASUS enters this market. They've not been in business and enterprise. And this is their B9. This is an incredible laptop. From the build quality to the screen, which has got almost no bezel, the kind of webcam they've been able to put it. Just look at this screen. I mean, this is super immersive. I wish they had something like this in our normal consumer laptops. Super light, absolutely fantastic trackpad with a number pad built in. Other features that they've been able to put into it. And then thin and light, but in terms of specs, it is super spec'd. In terms of ports, it has almost everything you want. So we'll do this two ways. We'll actually review this, the B9, then we're hoping ASUS sends us another one, which we'll try and do the week after. And then we'll speak with Dinesh, who actually heads the business for India for their business laptops, and try and find out how can they come into a market that already has so much competition. First, our review.
A laptop that exudes so much style that we forget it is an out-and-out business piece? Yes, that's the name that might be apt for ASUS's latest lineup of ExpertBooks, their commercial series that includes a vast portfolio of laptops, desktops, all-in-ones and mobile workstations. The big highlight in their series includes this notebook that ASUS calls the world's lightest 14-inch business laptop. It looks the part for sure, but is it all style and no substance? Let's deep dive into our review to find out. The ExpertBook B9 uses a magnesium lithium alloy. It is much lighter and durable and feels great to hold. Because it is so thin and light, this laptop is portable and how. Another eye-catching feature in the design is this ergo lift hinge design. So you open up the laptop and the keyboard automatically rises like this. This also helps in the laptop's thermals. The laptop has a glittery finish which caught our eye. It has a sturdy build and a shockproof design, so it wins big on design overall. An aggressive entry into the commercial segment, the ASUS Expert B9 starts at 1,02,228 rupees in India. It competes with the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon and the HP Elite Dragonfly. Both are considerably more expensive than the B9. ASUS has managed to fit a 14-inch display into a 13-inch chassis. The screen hardly has any bezels and it is a display that delivers on all fronts. It is a full HD display and the brightness is adequate as well. It's not a reflective display, which we liked. You don't have to feel too dreary working on Microsoft Excel with its laptop, as ASUS brings a number pad built into the touchpad. It is quick and seamless to use, very handy for people who work with a lot of numbers. Performance of this laptop is another area where the B9 really shines. It is powered by Intel's latest 10th Gen Core i7 processor and has a massive 16 GB of RAM. So this is as good as it gets. The laptop is an absolute power beast with different applications, and 1 TB of SSD really adds to this as well. The laptop can support up to 4 TB of 2 ultra-fast SSDs. The battery is impressive as well. It can go on for more than 17 hours on a single charge. The front IR camera is good for video calls, and there is a manual shutter that business users will find useful for privacy. There is a trusted platform module security chip in this machine for additional security. The ExpertBook B9 has many features that add to its charm. There's no dearth of ports on this laptop. There are 2 Thunderbolt Type 3 ports and a USB Type A port as well. All in all, like the employee or company expects you to be, the ASUS Expert B9 is an all-rounder in every which way. It scores big on design and performance and has a battery that will not die on you. ASUS has taken competition by the storm with the B9, with not just great specs but also a relatively affordable price tag.
So that was our review of this product. Very, very impressed with this. I think one of the best laptops I think I've ever really had my fingers or hands on. But now let's talk to Dinesh from ASUS and find out a little bit more about ASUS's entry into this very competitive category. So congratulations, we just reviewed this. So a new adventure starts for ASUS. Tell us a little bit about your entry into the business and enterprise market.
So at ASUS, currently we are making a strong foray into the enterprise PC market. And in industry terms, it's defined as commercial PC business. We started a consumer PC journey earlier in India, more than 10 years back, and we've been gaining a very strong growth momentum. So in Q2 2020, we become among the top 3 brands in India in consumer PC with 16% plus market.
So tell me, Dinesh, why are you entering this market? I mean, you're already a big player in the consumer and gaming segments of laptops. So why the entry into this business and enterprise category?
Right, Rajiv. So basically, if you look at it from a market perspective, enterprise business contributes to almost 50% of the PC market in India. And the balance 50% is consumer PC market in India. So from our perspective, getting entry into the enterprise market gives us 100% reach of potential. And overall, we look at it as a one PC strategy. So this is more from ASUS's perspective. So we give in solutions which are made for India, made for work from home, and adapted with innovative technologies from ASUS for enterprise market, and therefore the customer gets much better proposition.
So like I said, very, very competitive market. So what do you think you bring to the market that your competition doesn't have? What will a business or enterprise customer get from you that they don't have already?
So if you look at it in the consumer PC market as well, one of the key fundamentals for us to grow is to bring in very, very cutting edge technologies like leading thin and light devices. We are a backward integrated PC player. So, a lot of our components are very high quality, and we are world's #1 in the motherboard business for long period of time. And therefore we bring in some really high quality motherboard products which are integrated into our products, and therefore increase the durability and reliability of our products. Then again, we've got some very cutting edge innovation like dual screen laptops.
So I hear it's a great big portfolio. We've only got one product from you. You're entering various other categories also, the all-in-ones, the laptops, different kind of laptops, and a whole lot more. Can you take us very quickly through all the categories you're entering?
Sure. So we'll be getting into, let's say, 3 broad categories on an immediate basis. The first one is notebooks. And within notebooks, right from, like flagship products, which offer like for example, our flagship product B9 is the master of lightness and power. Okay, lightest weight, maximum power, battery backup with 24 hours capacity. We've got other products which are very high on performance and versatility. In case of desktops, okay, we are using our original ASUS motherboards, which are equipped with solid capacitors, and they have their own benefits. When we'll come to workstations, we'll bring in some really cutting edge mobile workstations which make use of ASUS's advanced design capabilities and excellent thermal management technology that we have.
Wow, so that's a very, very major portfolio. You're really entering all the categories for business and enterprise. Thank you so much, Dinesh.
Thank you very much, Rajiv, and thanks everyone who's watching this show.